Last night I put up a resolution chart test between the GH2 GH1 hacked and the Canon 7D. I thought I'd take that a little bit further. The GH2's 720p mode has been vastly improved actually over the GH1's 720p mode. So I thought, what would it look like if we compared the 720p on the GH2 to the 1080p coming out of the 7D. Now I'm going to put up a resolution chart. On the left is one and on the right is another. What you're seeing is the 7D in 1080p mode and the GH2 in 720p 60 frame per second mode. We're not testing the maximum capability of the bitrate to be able to handle all this data, but they do look remarkably similar. The one on the left has a lot more sharpening artifacts. The one on the right actually has very few sharpening artifacts. So which one's which? Actually the one on the right is the GH2. Now I know I'm not going to get invited to any Canon fanboy parties anytime soon because of this, but basically the GH2 in 720p mode is equal to the resolution of the Canon cameras in 1080p mode. Now I'm going to say that because the 5D, 7D, T2i, and 60D all basically downsample the same way. So they basically all have the same resolution in 1080p mode. So it's time for Canon to step their game up. They need to find a better way to downsample the data from their sensor. One last thing to note about that resolution chart, unlike the 7D and the other Canon cameras, there's no moire. There is a little bit of aliasing, but there is no moire or color fringing. So take that, and I know I'm sure I'll get plenty of hater comments.